Stealing the air tonight. Watch me take that flight. Screens glow under glass. Numbers moving fast. Quiet on the line. Then the bell cuts time. Breathing, locking eyes on the spin when the shadows call. We stand tall. Night market rise, night market rise. Hold the line tonight. We own the night. Night market rise, night market rise. Sharp as a blade of light. We own the night. Charge like city rain. Pressure in my veins. Every tick and turn. A lesson learned. Breathing, locking eyes on the spin when the shadows call. We stand tall. Night market rise, night market rise. Hold the line tonight. We own the night.
Hello, night traders. Welcome to Monday night on the night market. We're getting started a little late here tonight, but started nonetheless. As you can see, we are fully engaged in a trade. Not loving it, but no, not what I expect for the night. We are started going bullish here on us, so I jumped in. I got a MOAS signal here on the 5-minute, all the way up to 978. So we were pressing up into this interbears up here. We got a little, see, I got to double check my numbers on hedge pressure. Now we're good here on dynamic monthly hedge pressure down at 708. Man, MHP got me tonight. I went in with this with a trade on this MOAS down here, and you can see right here my trade. I went right in there on the MOAS signal, and I got out about right there, and that was not awesome. But you can't win them all, and it's all part of trading. It's you know, we're gonna win some, we're gonna lose some, and hopefully we're gonna win some tonight. So welcome all you guys. Thank you for joining us. Because we got 13 in the room right now. I'll just say hello, Almighty SoCal. Yes, sir. We are running late tonight. I was out with my boys and then our Monday night get together, but we are here now. We are rocking. We're in a trade. We're going long, and hoping that our indicators are gonna knock it out of the park for us tonight. That's for sure. Joey, hey, how you doing? Charts and Trails, welcome to the stream. Trader Steve, good morning. V-shaped recovery is facing headwinds at the top of the hour. Yep. Let's see. I mean, I expect volume to be really low tonight. As you know, it's a Japanese holiday, if you didn't know. So, gonna have a little less volume, and hopefully that just means that we just drift slowly upwards all night long. With the bull pressure that came in, dancing off the monthly hedge pressure, dynamic monthly hedge pressure right there line. I mean, held it tight. Great bounce. I need to check my Varus band. I did not get a chance to check that. Sorry, I'm just now getting everything dialed in. This was a risky trade for me to jump in off this MOAS indicator. It's got a signal right up here, but we do not have anything on the 15-minute. See if anything appeared. No signals here. And we've got a power short on the 1 minute. That could just drag us right back here, but we will see. We will pay close attention to this. We are not going to let it go down to 13.17. I can guarantee you that. I just have that just as a precaution, just in case. But if we start drifting south again, we're going to cut this and reevaluate where we are headed. But looking okay right now. We got our targets up here, and see if we can make some magic happen. So let's check out my indicator. It's going to kick me out for just a second here as I get logged in. Yeah, I think we're still at the same levels. 272.50, 68.75. All right, levels are good. This is the new Varus Zones 2.0 indicator. You don't have to do halvesies anymore. It does the calculation automatically, which is really great. They also included these 0.25 and 2.0 bands that I don't think the market's just really ready for yet, because we have just been hugging VWAP for the past couple nights, and not really dancing in the outer Varus just yet. So maybe we'll show those and get those engaged as the market starts moving a little bit better. Maybe, I don't know. It has been a rough Monday for the night trader, I'll tell you that. It has been a super busy day for my day job. I have not been able to give close attention to the market like I should. Let me just get that trade back up on here. Now we got the levels all secure. Yep, and things are just moving a little bit slow. How's everybody else doing today? How'd you guys fare in the market today? Anybody get knocked out, knocked down? It was a little tricky today, I'll tell you that. Let's take a look as we're sitting in this trade at the day. All right, so where are we? Okay. Start of the morning short. Got this MOAS right here. I don't know if anybody else was using the Smooth Trader indicator today, but I was, and I jumped on this MOAS. And I got bit when Trump tweeted. Trump tweeted and we dropped about 80 points. That hurt. That was not good. Knocked me around a little bit. But I was able to jump on with my Ninja Trader jumped on this short tonight, rode that down and made all my money back and a little bit more. We're going to be trading my next gen 150K account. That's what we're in a trade with right now. And I have my trade day funded 50Ks. sitting up tight here, waiting for us to get engaged as well. I did pretty well on those today. It was my funded futures. Let's see. Yeah, my funded futures and my aqua funded that I was trading in the day on the New York session. We went negative about 260, and I've got those up about $43 in the green right now. So I was able to work that back, get my money back with little green on the table. So we're not negative on the day, which is great. Hate to end the day in the red, but it's kind of my MO. Is if I'm losing, I cut it on the New York session, then I try to make it up on the Asia session, and I was successful in doing so. So feeling pretty good about that. Joe, you try to sneak on your phone to look at charts at work. Well, luckily, my work is here. I work from my computer here. I work remotely. So I'm able to, I've got 4 screens here. I don't know if anybody's seen my Instagram, but I got my setup up there. So I can have the charts over here and just sort of watching while I'm working away, toiling away, and just give it with my good, side eye there. And, but today was super busy. Oh my gosh, it was so hectic. I had so much to do, and so I did not give the charts the attention that they deserve, and I got bit for it. But luckily, as I said, we brought that back, and we are green for the week. As we ended the stream last night, I got ready for bed, laid in bed, was waiting for my wife to crawl into bed, and I pulled the screens up on my phone. I was like, ooh, I think there's a MOAS forming here, and I popped it up on the back channel as well, put a little bat signal out there. I know some of you guys took it, hopefully. I know some did. And we hit the MOAS target last night for a clean 400 and change. So just a late night quick scalp, I guess. Not really quick scalp. It took quite a while. Took about an hour or so, and hit that MOAS target. So now we're hoping that we're gonna knock this one out. This would be great to tack on to the 150K count. SoCal, we made 283 this morning, but this afternoon lost some and stopped at $100. So at least you slept well tonight. Nice. You can sleep well tonight. Yes, nice. Yeah. It was just really hard to read the market. It was we pumped up and we dropped, and we started pumping up again and we dropped, and then just when you think it's going to turn, it comes around and tricks you. So I thought for sure we were then going to head down with all the action that we had in the New York session and come towards our target of this fair value gap down here. But the bulls woke up and started pushing us back up. So let's see if we... Make sure I got my levels right. Oh, I gotta... Put the link in the Smooth Trader Discord for those guys. Let me pop that up real quick. Get some notifications. All right, so looks like we're kind of stuck at this level right here, not really moving. It jumps up to about 40 bucks, down 40 bucks. Still nothing on the 15 minutes. Still got our targets in the 5 minutes. Stop loss on that target is down here at 665. We're hovering right over a fair value gap from this jump up. Let's see if we can put that in there. So 89. 10. Got a little bit of a fair value gap right here that we're just sort of dancing on top of. See how ES oil is still grinding up. Oh man. Not a lot of great signals for long, but we've got our MOAS here. Right up here, I'm just right underneath the MOAS at 978. Target for the MOAS is 984. See how we interact here with this fair value gap, and hope we don't retrace this this long all the way back down. That would not be cool. But order flow is not looking positive right now, so we might not be in this trade very long.
Screen glow on my face. I stay calm my way. No chasing every move. I let the pattern prove. Smooth trader concepts draws a line so clear. When the crowd gets loud, I keep my eyes right here. I watch the pressure build.
Hey Trader Steve, thank you, man. Yeah, that's one of my favorites too. Yeah, CPI Wednesday. Yeah, that's really gonna dictate hopefully where we go if we get some better movement. I mean, trading ain't been great, to be honest. I mean, it's been sticky, icky. It's not been loving it. We had a great week last week. I'll tell you that. We had some good flow, steady direction on some nights, and this week it's it's kind of iffy. It's hard to get a good read. Kind of just moving the way it wants to move. So we just have to play along and see if we can get some success out of this market. Trying to decide if I want to cut this and take out this fair value gap for a quick win. We're bouncing. Hey Joey, how do I make this AI music? I use Asuno. So I write the lyrics, and then some of the songs I have the AI. They have a little tool in there you can help sort of polish up the lyrics, and then I choose the genre and I write out. Use the studio. They have a little studio. You can pay a little extra for the studio, and then change up the tune a little bit the way I want, hold some notes longer, or whatever. Please don't forget to put a sample of your tunes in the Discord. Although you will be heading to sleep, I'm just getting up on this side of the world. I'm thankful for my morning trader reggae. Appreciate it, Trader Steve. Well, we got a late start, so we're going to hang out for a little while. We're not going to bed just yet. Just jumped online. Just, I don't know how long we've been here. We've just been here for like 20 minutes or so. So we're going to hang out tonight. We're going to make some trades. We're going to make some money. And hopefully we can just ride this trade out right here all the way up to TP at 29,978, and if he wants to go to 30,000, I will be on for the ride. But we're gonna have to get a lot more bull pressure than this because it is not looking great at the moment. Almighty SoCal says looks like it's coiling up on the 15-minute to go up. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. Yeah, we had some great bull pressure here, and then it just kind of feathered out right there, feathered out. It's not great. Order flow is gone negative. Got a little pressure right here, but we need some big candles like we saw right here, like bam, 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 just shot up. Great bull pressure, and then it just faded away. So I don't know if they went to sleep, maybe they cut out early, but I know Japan is probably not online with us unless we got some millennials that are not celebrating the holiday. Elvis is in the building. Hey Elvis, how you doing? Yes, we are long right now. We are long. We've got a MOAS signal on the 5-minute here up to 983-ish. I've got my TP right below it at 978. If you're just joining us, I've got my stop loss way down here under dynamic MHP. I'm not going to full stop loss on this account. This is my next gen funded account, but that's just a protection just in case all of a sudden the bottom drops out for whatever reason. That's my max loss that I would take on that account. But if we get a MOAS or we get some signals, some bearish signals come down, we'll cut bait and reevaluate the trade. We had a really good bounce off of dynamic monthly hedge pressure right here that got me earlier. We all afternoon, all day, we're just sort of drifting down. I was hoping that we were going to continue that downward pressure down into this fair value gap, but it would not surprise me to get some big candles tomorrow with CPI, and we take this out tomorrow. I mean, it could get violent. So, guys, be careful tomorrow trading. It will take a lot to get me into a trade on CPI day. It will take a lot. I don't chase candles. Hey, that means I might miss out on a 200-point candle. That's fine, but I mean, I could also miss out on a 200-point candle going the wrong direction on me. You know what I mean? So, it just serves me better to stay out of that violent nature, and unless I see just some great signals and we are just grinding up, bouncing off some hedge pressure, something like that, then hey, maybe I'll jump in, but it will take a lot for me to get into a trade tomorrow. We have got our bearish bands updated. Got our DD band. I gotta go make sure that's the right level. That's from earlier today. Same with the one up top here. That's from earlier today. I'll check those levels in just a minute. Just watch to see how this magnificent trade is working out. And we are just bouncing between plus 20, minus 20 right now. Hey, Rich D, joining in late. Yes, sir, I am joining in late. If you're joining late, I'm joining late. We just got started here about 30 minutes ago, but we are rocking and rolling. Got in this long right here, back here, with this MOAS signal, and we are just waiting to hit this target way up here if it wants to go. But volume has completely dropped off, and we're going sideways. I think you're definitely bullish, but seems they're pinning it to this range as we close out the Asia session. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, late last night after we closed the stream, we had some good bull pressure in the later evening. So maybe we'll get that again tonight. That'd be terrific. If they want to come in again and push this a little bit higher, that would not hurt my feelings one bit. Yeah, channel day all day. Everyone worried about CPI and Strait of Hormuz. Yeah. There was a president and Iran were throwing some jabs at each other today. I saw. What happened? What did I push? What did I push? Over here pushing buttons. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know what I pushed. Get that out of the way so we get a little clearer shot of what we're looking at here. I tried to mess with the coloring so we could see these candles a little easier. Today it was the background was covering up. Hope you guys can see that. If you can't see it clearly, let me know. I will update the shadowing and stuff like that. I want to make sure this is a clear picture for you guys as I see it. I pushed the nuke button. Yeah, I know. I don't know what I pushed. There's like an arrow button or something. I don't know. But we're 5 MNQ in on this trade. It's my 150K next gen funded account, and getting a good push off this fair value gap right here. Let's go. We got 23 people in here, so we will engage again as we did last night. I'll write it up here so as people come in, they know. We got really close last night. Tyson Chapman, welcome to the stream. My name is Ryan. I am the Night Trader. This is the night market on the Smooth Trader channel. Smooth Trader runs the New York session. You can check him out every morning at the Globex Open, the New York Open. You can find me here Sunday through Thursday nights. Usually at the Globex Open. We started a little late tonight. I had a night out with the guys. It's our normal Monday night men's hangout, and but we're getting started now. We got started about 9 o'clock. I'm Central Time over here, and based out of Nashville, and we'll be rolling for the next couple hours, seeing if we can get our target up here. We've got a MOAS signal off the Smooth Trader Concepts target. It's hard to see with that little. Let me move this out of the way. There you go. You can see our target up there at about 984. I'm just right below it. But I mean, if we get really good pressure and we're pushing through this Varus band right here, I'll push it up so we can. I really want to be a part of that when we hit the 30,000. If we do, that would be fun to be in. It's a fun trade. I've been in one of those before. Big targets, like it a lot. We've got a little fair value gap here that we created on this bump up, but it is bounced. It sort of touched it a little and bounced right off, and we are moving on up. Got in on a 76950 on ES. Let's take a look at ES, where we're see what kind of targets we have over here. All right, we got a MOAS No real targets up here. We got another one forming right here, but that's some bullish pressure. Let's take a see 1 minute. There we go. There's a target. We've got a target forming on the ES at 778825. That's good for our NQ trade. ES likes to pull NQ like a... Ooh, look at this. 15-minute ES. Yeah, we got a lot of good targets. So, of course, these are... this MOS target right here on the ES earlier today, or was that last night? That's last night. That was part of the win that we had last night, yeah. This morning, that definitely lost off the just Trump tweet, dropped everything down. Now we're just building back. We've got another target on 15-minute of 791 on ES. So good bullish targets. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, was a new NFL stadium for you next year? Yeah. We're getting a new stadium for a team that is can barely eke out a win. Doesn't make a lot of sense for us locals here, especially since all the tourists and the locals are having to pay for that stadium. But I guess that's just how that works. You know, all those NFL teams that are rich and get to pay those players millions of dollars by paying for stadiums themselves, I guess. But I digress. Tyson and I am based out of Nashville. You wouldn't guess that with all the Eagles stuff back here, but I am a diehard Eagles fan as well. And I was an Eagles fan long before we had the Titans here. Arizona, nice. Yeah, I like Arizona. I've been there many times. I've been to a couple conferences out there. Got to golf in Arizona. I like it a lot. From Seattle, yeah. My brother lived in Seattle for a long time. Might be moving to Charlotte. Charlotte's a great city. Love Charlotte. One of the companies I work for is based out of Charlotte, so I spend a lot of time up there. Like it a lot. That's an easy 1 hour flight from Nashville. Super easy flight. Yeah, Elvis is in Charlotte. All right, trade is working out now. How are you guys faring out there today? Everybody in a trade? Get bumped out of a trade tonight? Looking to get into a trade? Another Seattle user out here. Welcome, guys. Welcome. All right, there's 30 of you in the room. Only 10 likes on the board. Let's get those likes bumped up. We got a 50K Legends account that we'll give away at 100 likes. But till then, we will be jamming out. Listen to some good music and see if we get this trade to work out. Don't tell anyone I'm supposed to be dead or on an island with Steve Jobs. Your secret is safe in the night market, my friend. Your secret is safe here. Hey Tyson, great. Just a random search on YouTube you found us. I'm glad you're here, buddy. We are using the Smooth Trader indicator. Usually this is linked into the chat, but I will pop it in the chat right now and I will get this. See, I wonder if I can pin this to the chat. But check out that link that I just posted in there. I'll figure out how to get that pinned in the chat. All right, we'll get that added, but that's just the prop firm matrix. That's not the link I wanted to give to you. I want to give you the whole link. Sorry, 1 second. Got a late start here, so we are not fully engaged with all of the links and everything we need. Let's get back to our trade over here. Yep, still looking good. There we go. This is the link I want. There we go. So the link I just posted right there. Is it Tyson? Yeah, Tyson. Tyson. You can look up here. What we're using on our trading indicator is the Smooth Trader indicator. This is created by Smooth Trader, who streams on the New York session. We have a monthly or lifetime. We have 20% off right now, or $7 for 7 days if you want to try it out. Also on this link, you can see the prop firm matrix, which I was showing just a minute ago. Jump to there. And you can see the prop firms that I'm affiliated with. We've got Trade Day, My Funded Futures, Next Gen, Aqua Futures, and Legends. We'll be giving Legends. I've got a whopping 7 Legends accounts to give away to you guys. 50K apprentice accounts. Right now we have 80% off. If you don't want to wait for the giveaway, use the code NIGHTTRADER at all of these prop firms, and we can get you the best discounts. Right now, My Funded Futures for another 4 days. Till the end of the week, you can get 50% off with code NIGHTTRADER on any account size, any account. My Funded Futures, 50% off right now with NIGHTTRADER, only till Friday, and only if you've not used that 50%. Use that 50% discount yet. They let you use it 2 times, so get your 2 counts at 50% off. My Funded Futures, fantastic company. I've got several funded accounts for those. We'll be trading those. We'll trade those probably tomorrow night. Tonight we're trading Trade Day, which we've got some great discounts on Trade Day too. So definitely check them out, and use Night Trader on your checkout there. And while you're at it, subscribe to our channel. Stay with us. Join our Discord. You can join our Discord right here. Get connected. You can find me. I'm Night Trader on Instagram, Discord, and X. You can find me there. And this trade's looking okay. And yeah, come hang out with us. Join the Discord. I'll be throwing flash discounts for prop firms out there. I'll put out my bat signals that I'll be trading when I'm trading during the day. And the team seems to like it. So yeah, try to do the best we can for you guys. This stream is all about learning. We're not buying Lamborghinis here. We're not full porting anything. We manage our trades, manage our edge, and manage our risk. So we just like to have a little bit of fun. We don't take ourselves too seriously, and trading should not be stressful, in my opinion. If it's stressful, then you're in the wrong profession or the wrong hobby. What I've been taught before is trading should really be boring, right? And but I don't like it to be boring. I like to have fun. So we got some music playing in the background. This is some AI music I created. I will be sharing the Casino playlist. Been a little busy lately, but we'll get those links up for you guys so you can download the music. Yesterday I was at the gym, and I was like, I just want to listen to my playlist. So I was just jamming out to my playlist while I was working out. It was pretty good. It was pretty good. Kind of gets stuck in your head. You wake up in the morning and be like, oh, I know that song. J-Ray's been long. MNQ from 740. That's a good trade. Closed most of your position, left one runner. Nice, nice. It's looking slow as heck. Yeah, welcome to the Asia session, where things move a lot slower. And we can jump into trades, jump out of trades. Everything moves a little bit slower on the Asia session. We like it that way. Less manipulation, easier trading. I mean, I wish I would have found the Asia session when I was getting started as a trader. Man, I'd been a lot more successful, I think, in the beginning. Because, I mean, the New York session, you can get wicked out super easy. And it can turn on a dime and really get at you. But in the night market, you know, usually we get in a nice trend and we just sit there all night long and just slowly grind that way. Sometimes we don't. Sometimes they get us. The market is tricky, but we've got our indicators giving us good signal, leading us to the good trade, hopefully. Because when I trade, I sleep like a baby. I wake up every 2 hours and cry. That's good. That's good. You wouldn't if you were trading last night with me. You wouldn't. Man, oh man. I wish I would have stayed on for another 30 minutes or so and gotten on that trade with you guys. But I was just laying in bed and saw an opportunity and jumped on it and cleared a good $430 something. It was great. Hey Tyson, I've been trading for 2 years. Yep, I started with an algorithm company that duped me into trading, and it was they're like, we will give you hands-off trading, and you'll become making $10,000 to $15,000 a month. Oh, I was bamboozled, but it's okay. I found my way. I started following Smooth Trader and some other traders on YouTube, and I learned a lot over the 2 years. I broke even and became profitable in January of this year, and once I found my edge, it's been smooth sailing. So, I just chop up the money that I spent that's just my trader education. It's like going to college, right? So nobody can jump in this into day trading and just right out the bat get it. And if you do, you're just getting lucky, in my opinion. It takes time. You got to learn the market, learn the sayings, learn the edge, find your edge. I mean, everybody trades differently. You can see hundreds of different YouTube videos are out there with people streaming, people giving you advice, people trying to sell you stuff on Facebook, promising you the world. You're gonna be, guys driving Lamborghinis and being like, I retired off this at 30 and stuff like that. That's not how I play. I trade, my strategy is compounding. So I have 21 accounts, and I try to get, between $200, $300 per account. Multiply that by 20. That's a good day. Now, that's on my 50Ks and stuff like that. We're trading 150K right here, so we got a good target up there. But this Varus band right here, we'll watch this. We'll watch hedge pressure as well. If we get a push up, we get some pressure and resistance up here, we might cut bait and get our profit out, because this is risk indicator right here. The Varus bands are based off rocket scooter indicators, risk indicators, and so this is a pressure level up here that we might bounce off of and start heading back down slowly. So we got to watch that. But for now, and then the unlikelihood that we get a giant green candle pushing us away up there, we want to be prepared and take that profit as well. Almighty SoCal, are you leaving us already? Oh man, appreciate you joining tonight, dude. So have a good night. Yeah, prop firms changed the game for sure. They've been around for a while. They're just new to me, but I love being able to trade almost guilt-free, and not have to worry about risking my capital, risking $2,000 of my own money. With a 50K prop firm account, I'm risking like 30 to 80 bucks depending on the prop firm that you go with. So Joey says the lessons I've learned, the support, the advice, and everything is so helpful and such a blessing. Yeah, dude, it's the stuff I've learned from Smooth, from the Rocket Scooter guys, just everybody that's helped me along the way. I mean, I'm super thankful, because without that, I would have never gotten this, and I would have lost a lot of money. That's for sure. But we learn from each other. I'm still learning. I'm still a newbie in this. I mean, and in terms of other people have been doing this for 5, 10, 15 years. Day trading is not new. It's just new to me. Kind of like the Bollinger Band, but this is the Rocket Scooter is built off of risk indicators based off market data, and it's proprietary to their indicator. But I use it in conjunction with the Smooth Trader indicator, because it just gives me just a little bit more edge. As you can see, Smooth Trader indicator, we got right down here, super close to the target. That target was 667. So 14 points. 14 points off that. Not close enough, but it got invalidated when we bounced off here off monthly hedge pressure, so we dipped down a little bit, but got some good pressure pushing us back up. Our green wave here, or the Smooth Trader indicator, is growing. We want to see that fan up big. I'd like to see huge fan, huge fan. Let's go all the way to 30,000. Maybe they can push it up tonight. That'd be nice. Not with the way that the oil's pressing up though, man. Oil still has not filled the gap from opening Sunday night either. It has continued the bullish pressure, pushing. Things are not going good with the war. We are losing the war. Losing the war. Nvidia is not looking too good either. Nvidia is kind of going sideways. Had some huge dips on Nvidia today. It was, but I mean, it dipped and then jumped right back up, and then it dipped and then jumped right back up. So this market has just been all over the place today. Not very fun to trade in. Let's look at SpaceX. SpaceX had a huge jump today, over 139. Came back down. We're leveled down to about 136. Everybody expected that to go to 85. I mean, I don't know. We'll see. Could come back. All I know is I want NQ to go to the moon. Let's get a moon shot. For those keeping score, Phillies are winning over St. Louis 6-5 right now. Oh, it's over. Oh, 6-5. Phillies win. There we go. Go Phillies. I'm the new guy, Smooth Trader. DJ gets the graveyard shift. That's right. Joey's in a paper long at 8:20. All right. Welcome everybody to the stream. I am the Night Trader. My name is Ryan. As you come in the door, please hit the like button. At 100 likes, we have a 50K giveaway. We're gonna get kicked off here if we can get there. We got really close last night. We got like 82 likes, something like that. So very close. Hopefully we can get it tonight. I'd love to give these 50K accounts away. And right now we are just sitting in a very slow, super slow, long up to the middle about Varus, upper Varus band up here. We've got a target up here of 984. I got my TP just a little below that at 976. Depending on the speed that we're going right now, this might be a 4 or 5 hour trade, looks like, which we've done before. Last Wednesday, to be exact, it was a 6.5 hour trade. We closed the night to the stream, still in the trade, and woke up to a beautiful $1,000+ surprise in the morning. Not happy your Braves sliding back to the Phillies, but I mean, you got to give it to them, man. Like, the Phillies started out the year very, very terrible, so terrible, and they made a comeback. How about those Red Sox, though? What the heck is going on over there? Man, they just won like 37 in a row or something, like 31 in a row. I don't know what it was, but jeez Louise. We got some good baseball this year, that's for sure. Hi, Tyson. Tonight we'll be on for another probably hour and a half or so. Usually I do the Globex Open till about 10 o'clock. That's your team, Joey? Nice. Yeah, they're doing all right. Doing all right. My dad's team is the Chicago Cubs, and man, they've turned it around this year too. Man, they are playing terrific baseball. There's a lot of great baseball being played right now. It's fantastic to be a fan. That's for sure. Back at our entry. Might be pulling back to clean up this liquidity here. We will see. Oh, it says MLB has turned into an Oprah show. You get a wild card, you get a wild card, everyone gets a wild card. That's right. Yeah. Joey's in the long looking for 845. 845. Just right to the top of this candle right up here. You're just looking for what, 25, 30 points there, Joey? What do you got, like 30 MNQ on that thing? This is the song I made for Sloan. Is Sloan joining us tonight? Who's all out there tonight? I know Sloan got in at 29,800. Sloan, you out there? At 800, you should still be in profit at 800. You're getting a lot of diamonds. Is there any way to turn down the frequency that you see the diamonds? On the indicator, yeah, see, I'm not showing any diamonds. Let's take a look at the settings here. Wonder if it's this. That's not it. Nope. Let's see. I will find out for you. It's not there. I'm not seeing the diamonds in here. Volume. I'm gonna have to ask Smooth about that. See where that setting is for Joey. It's on the supporting indicator. Put the orb turned on there. Let's do 15 million. Maybe is it the historical? No, not the historical. Our volume candles. Oh, here we go. Diamonds. Oh, that's what I had to see. I had mine turned off instead of diamonds. I've got mine displayed on candle coloring. Yep. Before we could show off, we could turn off the medium volume, and just that way you just see the high volume candles. See what the difference here. So if I keep, there's the high volume, and then we show the medium volume candles. Let's check the 1 minute. Oh yeah, we got tons of diamonds. I like that diamond. I like that one. Yeah, I'm gonna turn back to buying them. Let's just do high volume. Let's see if we're going on the 15 minutes. All right, one right here that pushed us right up here. Nothing, no more format here, but it's probably right there, Joey. Just turn off the medium candles might help you. I'm getting more than you. Yeah. Yep, I had that turned off. I was just looking at the shading. I didn't have those on, but we'll keep those on so everybody can see that that's another indicator we got here. So these bullish and bearish candles, or diamonds that we got right here, good indicators to directional. Let's hide the skin. I don't like that anymore. Man, this is taking a while. But we got time. We got time. Let's see, I bounce off this fair value gap again and keep pushing up. Hopefully, we want that green wave to keep growing. Keep us in the green. I'm getting more than you. Might be my other settings as well. So I have different settings than Smooth does. So you've got an aggressive preset on the NV Cloud. I don't know if any of these settings are different than what you've got. Turn the orb on here. I don't know if any of those are different than you've got, Joey. Yeah, you can ask Smooth. He'll probably tell you a little better than me. He built it. I know enough to be dangerous. That's for sure. Josh Nor, welcome to the show. Glad you're here. You're looking for a retest of the 15-minute fair value gap. You're talking about this one right here? See where we got on 15 minutes. Yep. Looks like we're headed down to take this fair value gap out. The ES has got a little downward pressure. Let's go check in on the ES over here. See if we hit our targets yet. Not yet. Stall one a little bit right here. We've got a target on the 15-minute ES of 791 up here. Starting a little green wave of itself. Big green wave on the 5-minute. That is really pretty. I like that a lot. No target on this MOAS up here just yet on my charts. 1 minute is getting some bear signals. We got a MOAS forming over here. Little bull signal. Let's see if we can get some more pressure, get some push up. Just gonna sit back, relax. $28,809 is the top on your chart. Well, we're a little higher than 809 now. Sitting pretty at 821. Make sure you guys click the live button. Make sure you're live. 809 is the top. Oh, okay. Yep, I'm about right there. I got it here at 8. Looks like 809.50. So I'm right there with you with the top. And the bottom, I've got 790-ish, 780, 788, I think. Yep, we're right on target, buddy. It's been bouncing off of it for the last hour, though. So hopefully, I'm hoping that it's just going to get some pressure and just keep popping up. Push up here at least to hedge pressure or the inter-bearish band. That would be fantastic for me on the night. Well, we're just sitting here for everybody that joined us. We're here in along with the smooth trader indicator. We've got a MOAS signal up here. Let's move this out of the way. Oh, it's on the 5 minute. That's why I didn't see it. Target up here of 983 on the smooth trader concepts indicator. Got a little bullish earlier in the evening, and just seeing if it wants to hold on and push us all the way up to this TP up here we have at 976. Not sure it's going to get there on the stream tonight. This might be an overnight hold, but if we start to get some selling pressure though, some heavy selling pressure and pushing back towards MAP, we're going to cut this loose and probably join the shorts though. We don't have a lot of pressure up right now. It's really sideways, not a lot of volume. Japan is on holiday today, for those that didn't know, so not a lot of volume. Just us out there pulling the trigger, making some trades, seeing if we can get this thing ratcheted up. Hassan, welcome to the stream. Appreciate you joining. MOAS stands for Mother of All Signals. And when we get a MOAS signal with a plus sign, it is a strong signal to the upside. We also get them to the downside, so we have some negative MOAS signals as well. You can see one over here, so that'll be a big red triangle pushing us down. Right now, we're hoping that this signal works out and pushes us up over the interverse band right here, all the way to the top. That would be fantastic for the night. More money, more ass. Heck yeah. There we go, Joey. Wow, viewers jumped up. We are up to 72 viewers. Hey, everybody, jump in there. Hit the like button on your way in. My name is Ryan. I am the night trader on the night market, the Smooth Trader channel. You can check the Smooth Trader out every morning at New York Open. He runs the morning show, and we are running with his indicator that he created, the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator. As you can see right now, we are in a long MOAS plus signal right here up to 983. Got my TP just right underneath that, and we have been riding this out sideways for the last hour and 15 minutes plus. So I got into about 15 minutes before we got live. So yeah, good hour and a half trade going on right now. That's okay. We got time. We got time to let this work out. Heck yeah, new people, hit the thumbs up. Just over in the bottom left of my screen right here. At 100 likes, we got a 50K giveaway. Got a Legends account that we will give away. But Pop, we did not pin the chat. Can. It's okay. I will drop the link in the chat. Hey John Ball, thanks for joining us tonight. Did I apply to stream on Rocket Scooter? No, I did not apply to stream on Rocket Scooter. This is not my day job. This is not my full-time job. I'm just here for fun, hanging out with you guys. It's a little hobby I have. I'm gonna be streaming. I trade the Asian market anyway, so we got a Discord that was really helping support me and get this stream going. I work with the Smooth Trader, and we've been working on this stream for a couple months. We got started last week. This is our second week streaming. Last week we had a great week, successful week. We hit 100% of our MOAS targets, and we were 100% profitable last week. And so we were profitable last night, and we're hoping that we can continue that streak this week. And we've got our target set. MOAS is leading the way, but Rocket Scooter is applying for like middle of the night, and I've got to get sleep sometime, guys. I cannot. I definitely cannot do that, especially with the family. I'm a family man. I've got a 5-year-old son, and I got to be able to get up and take him to school in the mornings. So definitely cannot stream in the middle of the night. But I support those guys. I like the Rocket Scooter guys. I love what they're doing. As you can see, I've got some Rocket Scooter indicators here on the screen. I use them in conjunction with the Smoother Trader concepts because that just gives me that little bit more edge in the market, I believe. You know, no indicator, no algo is 100% perfect and correct and wins all the time. So I think using them together really gives me a bigger edge than most in the market. So far, it's been working well for me. You need a new high tonight so you can go to sleep? Yeah, same here. Same here. That is what we're looking for. We're looking for a new high. We keep bouncing off this fair value gap. They don't want to take it out just yet. I got in a trade earlier tonight. As we were pulling down here, we had a target 650. I jumped in, and I was really hoping we were heading downstairs to pick up this fair value gap that is still sitting from last week that has not been taken yet. They may be saving that for CPI tomorrow, but at some point, there's liquidity down here that there's not been grabbed yet. So at the same time, oil has a gap opening from Sunday night that we're not even close to hitting. Oil keeps grinding up, and no signs of slowing right now as the war continues on another week. So we'll see how that turns out. It's been a couple months us fighting back and forth with Iran, and it's definitely moved the markets, but hopefully the markets are getting tired of it, because I'm getting tired of the big swings. Let's get a moonshot. Let's go. Let's push this thing back up over 30,000. That's what I'd like to see. Nvidia is struggling to keep 219. Slowly trending down. That's not good for us. Big story is oil, though. We need oil to plummet. We need to win the war. Picha, been stuck in a trade for 3 hours. This PA is hot garbage. Yep, we are going on to 1 hour and 45 minutes on this trade right now that we've been sitting in. As you can see, it is straight sideways. We'll just make this a little bit bigger. Sideways since we entered. Get our high here of 846.25. See if we can get pushed back up there. I'd love to see at least we come up here to hedge pressure or the top of Eris before we start cruising back down. That would be spectacular. I'm gonna turn these back off, Joey. I don't like too many lines on my. Where did I turn that on? There we go. All right. Turn that off. All right, Joey. Get some sleep, buddy. We will see you tomorrow. We'll get started at Globex Open tomorrow, so I'll see you there, buddy. We'll definitely post how this trade worked out, so you can see that. I'll post that in the Discord for you. Singapore revises the annual growth forecast sharply higher on AI-related boost, upgraded their GDP. Should help. Nice. We're almost up to 80 viewers on the chat. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to the night market. I am the Night Trader, hosting you guys tonight as we try to get this long in. We've got MOAS target up here of 983. Got my TP just right underneath it. See if we can get pushed up there. We go to trap short. That is a bullish signal. Let's go. let's go. Let's get a couple more of those. We'll just dance all the way up to the top here. Hit the like on your way in. We get 100 likes, and I got a 50K Legends prop account we're going to give away tonight. Would love to start giving that away. We almost got there last night. Got up to 82 likes. Just didn't make it. Wrong Trade Jim, welcome to the stream. Appreciate you being here tonight, buddy. Yeah, Pete, it's happening. It may not be till it may not be till 3 in the morning, but I think we're going to get there hopefully. I like the trade. It's looking good. Looking good. Out of everybody on there, we only got 2 more likes. Come on. Not asking for money. Just asking for your little click. Come on, click that like. At least for the music. We got a little Red Hot Chili Peppers inspired music going on right now. Hear that slapping the bass, man. But everybody just pull in close, tuck in. We're in for a ride. This may take a while. As we know, Asia market moves a lot slower, especially when they have holiday. Today is high holiday. Tokyo. I forget what are they? I would get more likes if I bat my eyelashes. Is that good for you, Pekkas? Batting? I think it's it's Mountain Day, which is an official national public holiday. And they also say many people in Japan are starting and observing an informal summer Oban festival period, which runs between August 13th to August 16th, leading to some offices and businesses taking early time off. Okay, so that combined with CPI. It's a mountain holiday. That sounds awesome. I love to be out in the mountains. Let's see, what is Mountain? Mountain Day, Yamanohi, is a Japanese public holiday held every year, created to let people connect with nature. It celebrates the peaks and steep terrain that cover roughly 70% of the country. Passed into law in 2014, it is Japan's newest national holiday. The goal of the day encourages citizens to step outdoors, hike, and thank the mountains for water, food, and spiritual inspiration. That sounds pretty fantastic to me. Wish I was out in the mountains. One of the guys I was hanging out with dinner tonight just got back from whitewater rafting. We were talking about this last night. Whitewater rafting at the Coe River in East Tennessee. He said it was fantastic. Weather was great. Everything. I got really jealous. I was like, I wish I was there, buddy. Next year I'll join him. Maybe I could stream from a whitewater cabin out there in East Tennessee for you guys. Elvis, I want to connect closer with my money. Yeah, I get that feeling. Trump moves to scale back childhood vaccines over conspiracy theory. New executive order based on the myth that vaccines cause autism. I'm not going to weigh into that, but what are you going to do? All right, more people pouring in, getting in this late hour. Welcome, everybody. I'm the Night Trader. This is the Night Market. We're on the Smooth Trader Concepts trading channel. We are trading with the Smooth Trader indicator tonight. We've got a MOAS signal up here, plus signal way up here to 983. I got my TP right underneath it. Looking to at least get up here to HP, maybe the interverse right here before we start hunting back down. Getting some bullish signals. Let's go check the 1 minute, see what we got over here. Ooh, another MOAS popping up. That's good. We got some targets up here to 878. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. See if we got some more bullish signals. Nothing on 15 minute. 15 minutes still a little bit bearish. We got a little bit of, you can see it very little right there. A green wave opening up, but the red wave is coming to a close, so that makes me feel good. Let's check ES while we're here. Still slow grind up. About to hit its target right up here of 71.91. Anybody in ES right now? Hey, Brandon 8. Yeah, it would be nice to break out of this range. Get a nice push up. That would be fantastic. We've got some bullish indicators pointing in that direction. Order flow is looking our way. With a slow volume though, it's going to take a little while to get up there, I think. Let's take a look at the 1 minute. I think we got a target. Did we hit that yet? Super close. We got another target over here at 791. Is that the same we have on 15 minute? Yep. Same as the 15 minute on the ES, target of 7791 if anybody is trading ES right now. Got some good bullish targets up there. Green wave is forming nicely. NQ starting to move? Kinda. Slowly, Elvis. It's slowly moving. This is not my music. It's not bad, but it's not my music. Let's turn the rock back on. How about that? Let's see if this gets a few more likes. See if we can pump up NQ. Let's go. Oil's got a little bit of bearish pressure. It's starting to come down a little bit. We like that. I'd like to see oil dump down to 77. We can all wish, right? Elvis, you called it the wrong way, man. We're moving the wrong way. Our audience is growing. Let's see. Let's do a check-in. Where's everybody coming in from tonight? Where you guys streaming from? Joining the stream from? I'm based here in Nashville, Tennessee. Music City. John Ball out of Texas. Welcome, John. You're not a Cowboys fan, are you, John? K-Dog, Ohio. Another South Texas. Hope we don't have a bunch of Cowboy fans in here. Not a sports fan, but you root for the home team? That's okay then. UFC? Yeah, I like some UFC. What'd you think when they did UFC at the White House? What'd you think about that? Heard they lost $30 million on that. There we go. Come on. Take a look at the 15 minutes. We got any bull signals yet? Not yet. Order flow looks good. Had some bears come in here, but bulls came back. Keep pressing up. Wrong trade jam, Mesa Arizona. Couldn't get to the Kimbo. That's alright, man. DVR said you must not be from Nashville. I've been from Nashville since 1996. What is my accent, or is it just because I got Eagle stuff on the wall back there? I've been an Eagles fan since, yeah, about the same, about 97. I think I became an Eagles fan about 97, 98. Somewhere around there. Long before we had the Titans here. Well, the Titans haven't been a good team since 1999, so not sure they deserve that new stadium they're building down there. It doesn't even really look like a stadium. I'll show you guys a picture. It's, let's see if they have a picture of it. Oh yeah, here's a render of it.
When the screen turns red, I breathe and stay cool. Patience pays more than trying to.
See, this just looks like, I don't know, it just looks like a big box, like a business building. It doesn't look like a stadium at all. Doesn't look, it just, when you drive by it, it just looks like a just big, huge office building. It's horrible. I think they did a terrible job designing this. I don't know if it's supposed to be like a record player with like, I'm not a fan. Definitely not a fan. Yep, they won a Super Bowl. That's what they did it for. That's why they put the dome on there. Public funded owner? Oh no, the public's paying for that. And the tourists. So they tacked on a tax onto all the hotels and like Airbnbs and stuff like that. Because I have an Airbnb, and so they put a tax in there for that to pay for the stadium. That's the only reason we need a dome stadium in Nashville. Because even with the bowl, we got bowl games every once in a while, and even the bowl game, I mean, it's not too cold. Our winter is really like, I mean, I guess, you know, because the Super Bowl is in February, so our winter is really January, February-ish. That's when the ice comes in. That's what we get. We don't get a lot of snow. We did last year. We got some snow, but it gets packed right on top of ice, so we can. Everybody slides around here in Nashville when it gets wintry mix on the roads. Yeah, 88 people in the chat right now. That can jump us up, pop us up right there. Get a lot closer to the 100 likes that we're looking for to give away 50K tonight. Welcome to the stream, everybody. I am the Night Trader and the Night Market. Welcome to the show. I'm your host on the Smooth Trader channel. Tonight we are trading with the Smooth Trader indicator. We have a MOAS signal right here. MOAS stands for Mother of All Signals. Pushing us up. We've got a target up here of 93. I got my TP just right below that. And we're slowly grinding our way up. If you're an Asian trading trader, Asian session trader, you know that this could take a while until we get there. But I like our targets. I like the bull pressure that we've got going on right now. We bounced off this fair value gap several times, tried to come back down, pressed up against it again, and it is just not wanting to come down. Guess the bears are out on holiday. It's a mountain day in Japan, national holiday, so most people are outdoors, and I doubt that they're trading on their phones, but who knows? Who knows? I do it sometimes. What about everybody else out there? You guys in trade? Just watching and here to copy my trade? Looking to see where this goes, hoping I'll fail. Anybody short? Got some good targets on the EST. I'll jump over there while this is playing out. Inching our way up there to a target of 7791 on the Smooth Trader indicator right now. Got a great target on here. We got that same target on the 1 minute right over here with another. Oh wait, so the first target here was 89, with you got another target forming up here at 791 on the ES. Triple Indy, we are bullish across the 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15 minute on ES. It wants higher numbers. Where are we going? Where are we going? Let's go over here in the 15 minute. We got any other signals over here? Nothing yet. 1 minute's got some targets up here: 854, 876, and 881 on the 1 minute. But we are trading the 5 minute. Welcome to the show. Hey, JJ Bed, welcome. My entry right here is 821. Is that where I got in? Is that, yeah, that's 821. 821.50 to be exact. I am on M&Q. We're trading 5 M&Q on my 150K next gen funded account right now. Seeing if we can add a little bit more before we take a profit out of that account. Kaylin Kumar, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to jump on our Discord, jump over there and say hi to everybody. We are building, we're building this stream. This is the second week we are streaming the night market. Started first Sunday of August. Had great success the first week. Hit 100% of our MOAS targets. We were 100% profitable on the first week, and we are on night 2 of week 2. Last night we had some really good profits last night. Some after the stream, of course. So we're gonna try to keep this streak going. See if we can be profitable every night. That'd be good, wouldn't it? We got the tools, we got the edge, and I feel good about this trade. We've got our green wave right here, bullish wave opening up, getting bigger and bigger as we ride through the night. I'd like this to be a big old green wave. I think we had one of those earlier. I've had a few. Today was pretty miserable. I don't know. It was for me at least. I don't know if it was for you guys. Had to make all my money back on the short at the beginning of the night. We were short down to about 666. That's a terrible number. Then we got some OS targets that started shooting us up this way. Bounced off of MHP just a little bit. Had a little bit of pullback on MHP, but it just started flying. And we've been bullish ever since. Had some bull targets come in right here. It's about 814, 820, yep, right up there. So need more. We need oil to drop back down. I'd like to see a target of 77.5 on oil. That would look good to me. But we will see how the night progresses. Everything's kind of pushing up. Didn't see this. Why did I miss this? Oh, just disappeared. Halfway there on the likes, everybody. Viewers coming in, hit the like button on your way in. I'm Ryan, the night trader on the night market. We're currently in a long, based on a MOAS target right back here, Target's way up here. At about 983 and a half. I've got my TP up here at 976. Just taking its time, slowly grinding up. Here, 1 minute, 5 minute charts, bright green here. 15 minutes, still a little bearish, but just waiting for that to turn. As soon as some more of these bulls come in. It is a Japanese holiday, so it's just you, me, and the screen tonight. A lot lower volume. I don't expect fast action tonight, like we get fast action anyway on the Asian market. So we're just gonna hang out, chat a little bit. Chat's been a little quiet. What are you guys doing out there? You guys watching TV? Just have me on your phones while you're watching your Netflix? Waiting to see what this trade's gonna do? Seeing if you're gonna jump in and join me? Zero skills, you have a short HTF bias. Last minute housework before bed, single dad life. I get it, dude. I get it. Finish morning coffee with cream sup. Hey, how you doing tonight? Where you tuning in from, Finish? Are you tuning in from Finland? Yes, sir. 7 a.m. All right. Welcome, buddy. I appreciate you joining. Wow, we get people from all over the world here. We had one of the first nights here, we had 2 people from Australia joining us. This is great. We're international. I love it. Night market is international. Be sure to subscribe and join the channel so you can tune in every night. We're a new channel. We did our new stream. The channel's been around for a while. Smooth Trader, he does the New York session. I started last week doing the night session. I am the night trader on the night market. And we are going to be rocking out, taking some trades, winning some trades, going to lose some trades too. But hopefully we win more than we lose and just have a good time. The new Pitbull, Mr. Worldwide. Trader Steve, in about 40 minutes, there will be a momentary after the market digests the RBA rate decision. While it won't affect U.S. markets directly, the DXY will likely flutter, which will impact the NQ. DXY. So you think we'll stay in the range for about 30 minutes? Next 30 minutes? We've been in this range for freaking, wow, 2 hours. Prestige Worldwide, boats and hoes. Man, I haven't heard from Pitbull in a while. What's that guy doing? Is he still down in Miami just being Pitbull? What's he doing? Is he still around? Maybe I'm too old for Pitbull. I don't know.
Proud of the bleed, but I learned that night. Small cut now can save my life. When the screen gets loud, I get
3 days ago, he posted, "It's Friday and baby, I just want to dance." Yo! Guess he's still. Oh yeah, he's got he's playing Gainesville, Virginia, August 19th, Virginia Beach, Hershey, Pennsylvania. He's still touring. Okay. Guess so. He's a Grammy-winning American rapper, singer, songwriter. Yeah. Fireball. There's a Reddit out there. Whatever happened to Pitbull? I feel like he was everywhere growing up. He's older than me. I think we're the same age. How old is Pitbull? Yeah, we're the same age. Well, he's a little older than me. He's 8 months older than me. About to lift off? I hope so. Let's get NQ doing some push-ups. Let's pump it up. $90 people in the chat. We're only at 50 likes. Guys, hit that like button. We get to 100 likes. We got a 50K giveaway. We got a Legends 50K account that we're going to give away tonight. So we got to get to 100 likes. So reach over there, push that like button. Scroll down on your phone, push that like button. Hit it with your nose, your pinky, index finger, whatever finger you want to hit it with. Click that like button. Let's go. Let's check with ES. We haven't checked in with ES in a minute. Slow grind up. Still got a good target up here. Green wave is getting bigger and bigger as we go. That's a good signal. See if we can get some green diamonds in here. I like the green diamonds. That's a nice bullish signal. No red diamonds. No whammy, no whammy, no whammy. Let's go. Guess we started a little late tonight. We don't have Paul, our newsman, joining us tonight. See what's going on with Financial Juice. Apple's glass-focused 20th anniversary iPhone still on track for 2027. Okay. Is anybody asking for a glass Apple iPhone? I'm not asking for a glass iPhone. Just gonna have to cover that up with a case. NVIDIA CEO, no one said no to new AI financing push. NVIDIA CEO deals will support broad build out of AI money as a third-party capital. Morgan Stanley to target AI infrastructure and defense sectors. Canadian dollar sits near 2-month top versus US dollar amid bullish oil prices. Oil is starting to come down a little bit. That's good for our trade. Let's see if we can make something happen here. Of course, Trump today Iran asking for compensation for damage done to them during the last 5-month military conflict. I am likewise demanding compensation from Iran for the past, what did he say? I think he said 50 years, 30 years, 50 years, something like that. We will see. It has been up and down with all this Iran news, and it is really getting to be enough. If it's new, your daughter will. Her phone will mysteriously stop working. Yeah, that's what they do, don't they? They make the older phones go slower, not work as well. They're like, you gotta upgrade. Gotta get a new phone. You're like, I've got the same iPhone 16 I've had for several years. Netflix, coming Wednesday. I don't want to see that. Coming Wednesday, Conversations with the Killer, Charles Manson tape. There are about 40 different Netflix documentaries on Charles Manson. And they just keep coming out with more. Because people want to see that stuff. Hey David, welcome to the stream. I would be glad to explain the indicator. What we're trading with tonight is the Smooth Trader indicator, which you can get with the link I posted earlier. I will post the link once again. In the chat. Finish. Even hour pump. Let's get it. Got to hit the gym. Well, keep us on. Put us on your phone, buddy. Keep following. We're up to 57 likes, 103 people in the room. Let's go. 50K giveaway at the 100 likes. All right, back to David's question. Indicator. So this is the Smooth Trader indicator with order flow and momentum and some proprietary code that Smooth Trader himself, who streams on the New York session every morning, he created this out of his mind. We are currently in a trade based on this MOAS signal here. It's a MOAS plus signal. MOAS stands for mother of all signals. And we've got a green target right up here at 983. I have my take profit right below it at 976. But I'll be watching these other levels here to see if we get any bounce when we get up there, pushing up there. We've got some bullish signals in the room. Trap shorts here with the blue diamonds and green diamonds are bullish pressure as well. Trap long means we are going back down. So this is bearish pressure. You got some power shorts over here as well. This indicator works on all time frames, all charts, all futures charts, I would say. And it works specifically with the Heiken Ashi candles, as you can see on my screen. That's what we're trading right now. We are trading the 5-minute, looking for NQ to get up on there. 1 minute, 5 minutes are bullish. 15-minute is still bearish. Let's go take a look, see if we got any push down on 15-minute. No signals yet, but the you can see this green wave forming right here. So green wave is bullish, red wave is bearish. And behind us, the purple waves that you see right here are the Varus bands. Varus bands were created by Kyle. I am the liquidity. He's part of the Rocket Scooter team, and I use that in conjunction with my Smooth Trader Concepts indicator to just give me that little bit more edge. So along with Rocket Scooter, we've got some levels in here. So we've got hedge pressure. We got a bounce off of monthly hedge pressure. This yellow line right here is dynamic monthly hedge pressure. So just another risk indicator that is pushing. Just we got orders down here, push just way up here. We've kind of stalled. Sideways action, waiting for some bulls to step back in. Japan is on holiday right now. It is Mountain Day in Japan. They are outside enjoying the great weather, climbing some mountains, and not able to join us tonight. But you guys are in the room, so reach out there, click that like button. We've got 110 people in the room. We can easily get to 100 likes and do this 50K giveaway. I built a really cool giveaway tool that I'm excited to try out with you guys. And once we get close up there, we will kick that off and give away a 50K Legends account tonight on screen. But if you have any questions, we got our order flow down here. This is part of Smooth Traders right here as well. So you can see the bull pressure in the blue and the bear pressure in the bright pink here. So we got some fun colors because we're having a fun time. Listen to some good music, take some trades. If Paul was here, he would be telling us some dad jokes, but we started a little late tonight, so I think Paul's tucked away in bed already and not able to join us. But he is our local news and jokester. He will be here tomorrow night, though, I'm sure. So please tune in. We are here every night, Sunday through Thursday. I am the night trader on the night market. Likes are jumping up. We're up 61 already. Heck yeah, let's go. We got a good trade in. We got good music. We're having fun. It's a Monday night. How was everybody's Monday night? How was your Monday? Start of the week. Everybody have a good day at work? Good day with your children? Did you do just absolutely nothing and just watch the charts all day? The garbage that today was? Today was hot garbage too, man. No, it was just... got me a couple times, but I was able to rebound and make my money back on the short we had when we started the night tonight. That was a sweet short. I mean, that was 771. About 80-point drop we got right there at the beginning of the night. That was sweet. I was at dinner with my guys, and I missed most of this long right here, but jumped in back here when we had this MOAS signal to the upside, and I think we are going to grind all night long, just up, 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 just slowly, 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 so we will see. Brandon, about to close your long for some profit because you're over this? Hey, if you can take profit, take some profit, man. Do it. This motion, I'm going to move my stop loss up here to VWAP. So VWAP is this center line right here. That's bright. I need to make that a little bit brighter. I don't like that. I can't see that very well. There we go. Now we can see it a little bit better. So this is VWAP. Don't want to come back there. Almost aligned with MHP back here when we had that long, and just bounced off MHP, started going north, and we just took slow. So yeah, Brandon, this is the Asian market. This is the night session. Things move slower, less manipulation. I like the trade. This is where I feel comfortable. This is why I like it going a little bit slower. You can watch my trade, caress it, give it good vibes, speak to it nice and softly. Just A little bit more, NQ, just a little bit more. See, Brandon, we have fun, man. We have fun. And I am from Nashville, so it wouldn't surprise you that we're gonna have a little country song in here as well. All these songs I have created myself, and I will be sharing the playlist on Discord. So be sure to subscribe and join the Discord if you want to be tuned in to everything Night Trader. We will be posting discounts, flash sales. We'll have a Night Trader bat signal channel as well, where I'll put my trades in there, so you guys can catch them and get them alerted to them ASAP if you're not watching the stream, or if it's like the New York session and I'm trading, I'll let you get in on some of that action to see what's going on, what the Night Trader's doing all day long. Got some good bullish pressure coming in now. This is nice. I like this. Apple reportedly eyes a screenless wearable as it rethinks the Apple Watch. Interesting. You got the Apple event coming up next month. See what these guys are planning. See if they can bump their stock up a little bit more. They're expected to unveil the first foldable iPhone. Updates to the Series 12 and Ultra 4 watches will mostly be performance-based. Yeah, of course they never do anything super special. They hold all that stuff back. They recently just increased all their prices for everything too. Like they weren't expensive enough already, weren't they? Jeez Louise. New iPhone is just the same cost as a laptop. Jesus Christ, so expensive. They're upping their prices now to compete with Garmin watches. There are no Garmin watch yet. An Iron Man, I would know. Yep, laptop prices have gone up too, but I mean, not as fast as phone prices, that's for sure. "20 minutes until Forex fireworks, which hopefully will cause market makers to dump DXY and thus boosting our NQ. Let's go. Let's go, Trader Steve. All right, while we wait for this to go a little bit, I'm going to take a quick restroom break. I will be right back. But everybody in the chat, poke all your buddies. Come in here. Tell them to wake up. Jump into the chat. Hit the like button. We've got a 50K giveaway at 100 likes. We'd love to give it away tonight. We tried last night. We got so close at 82. We are at 65 likes now. Click that button. We're doing a giveaway. We're going to do it tonight. I feel it. We're going to get there. I'm feeling we're going to get there. So I'll be right back. Do not go anywhere. And I'll be right back. All right, and we are back. My trade is about exactly where I left it. All right, not too shabby. Slowly marching up. Full pressure. How much more time we got, Trader Steve? Hey, friend, we're on Discord. Will you play with us, Bill? We were building a Night Trader channel, and I'll post it up in there. We'll also add it to the links in my stream down here. I'm working with the Smooth Trader team to get that all set up. Sorry it's taking so long, but we will get that out there for you guys for sure. So keep tuning in. I'll let you know. 12 minutes. Trader Steve, there we go. Got a little hungry, got a little snack. Got these are delicious. These IQ bars, 12 grams of plant protein, 1 gram of sugar. Great little snack. My son loves them. He always steals my protein bars. Loves them. Thanks, Efrain. Yeah, I'm working on more, so hopefully I've working trying to get at least one new song a day. But sometimes I didn't like today. I did not have time. It takes time. You got to come up with good ideas, write out the lyrics. But using Suno, they really help get the vibe down. So got a good mix. I think we got a really good mix of genres. We marched up to 69 of the likes. 108 in the room. Everybody reach over, hit that like button. We're in a trade. We're long. We got a target of 983 up here. Our green wave is getting a little smaller though. I don't like that. Let's check over in ES, see what we're doing over here. ES is starting to sputter out a little bit, starting to struggle, not pressing as high. We got a target ES of 7791. We need that to push on up and pull NQ with it. That would be fantastic. Slow trade though. I mean, last Wednesday we had a 6.5 hour trade that got us almost $1,100. So might be one of those nights, guys. Hey JJ Bad, this is we're trading my next gen 150k funded account right now, and we got 5 MNQ on that. We got a pullback. I'd probably put my I've got my trade day underneath my picture down there. Those are my trade day funded 50k accounts. If we got a pullback, I'd probably enter those as well on probably a 3 MNQ long on this. But put almost 500 of those accounts today, so they're sitting pretty. So, sorry, GG's. Yes, I am watching these levels right here. So we have 2 levels we need to look out for here. We got 887, 886-ish. We got hedge pressure up here. So we could get rejection up here. We're watching that. We could also get rejection up here at 908. So this is the interbearish band. This is a risk indicator built by I Am the Liquidity, Kyle, part of Rocket Scooter. Very, very reliable, awesome indicator. Definitely check that out. You can check that out on the Rocket Scooter Marketplace if you want it. It's on sale for the rest of the week, 34% off till Friday. Then it goes to full price, and I'm working with them to get an affiliate code so we can get that to you guys at a premium discount as well. But Sweet Trader and Rocket have similar tactics, and that's why I like to use them together. Because we're not trading on time frames, we're trading on levels, right? So we've got a level up here that we're trying to hit. We've got this level MHP that we bounced off of earlier and started getting that bullish pressure, pushing us up. We've got the DD bands. We've got hedge pressure here. We've got just several different levels that we need to watch. We're going to either bounce off, get rejection, or push on through and maybe get rejection up here at the interbearish. Or we may just push through all of them, because I mean, we got a high level up here of the outer bearish of 30.45, but I don't think we're going to get up there tonight. Not the way we're moving right now. We'll just see if we can get eke out a little bit more profit before we have to close out the night. Buckle up, 6 minutes. Here we go. Hopefully Trader Steve's news. Let's see, what did he say? Trader Steve, they might drop NQ and ES down before boosting depending on what rate decision is and impact of DXY, or they just might bump. Let's look at that right now. US dollar index right now is 99.781. Well, I would really love a strong push-up, Steve. If you can, Trader Steve, just talk to your friends over there. Give us a pump. We don't want to drop. Just pump it up. If we do drop, I'm sure we're going to try to take out this fair value gap liquidity we got right down here. Hopefully it's not a super dump. That would be terrible. But as you can see, our green wave is getting smaller and smaller by the minute. Let's take a look at the 1 minute chart. Oh, that's not good. We got a bear signal trapped along on the 1 minute. I mean, honestly, we have zero volume here. I mean, there's some bulls coming in. Come on. Squash those bears. Let's go long. Let's go. And a bigger green wave, not a smaller one. Come on. Come on in, Q. Don't do me dirty. Don't do me dirty, Q. Hey, Pam, now, yeah, this range, it's slow but steady. Slow but steady. We've been in this trade now for over 2.5 hours. We got 109 people in the chat right now. We are looking to get to 100 likes, and we will do a giveaway. We've got a 50K Legends account. We like those guys over there. I'm gonna put this in the chat again. I've not figured out how to pin this in the chat yet. Sorry guys, I will figure it out. But I'll put this in. Check out this link. This is where you can get the Smooth Trader Indicator. You can do the monthly or the lifetime. We have 20% off right now. Or you can try it out for $7 for 7 days. This is built by the Smooth Trader himself. You can find him on the New York session every morning, Monday through Friday. You'll find me, the night trader, on the night shift, Sunday through Thursday. Of course, we don't have any trading Friday night. We got to get a break sometime, right? Spend some time with the family. Here you can also check out the prop firm matrix. Prop firm matrix has all of the prop firms that we are affiliated with: Trade Day, My Funded Futures, Next Gen, Aqua Futures, and Legends, of course. We've got some Legends 50K apprentice accounts to give away tonight. Great account. Love Legends. I've got 4 of their accounts right now. Terrific company. My Funded Futures, for those that don't know, has 50% off right now with code NIGHTTRADER for all of these prop firms. Night Trader My Funded Futures is 50% off now until Friday. Jump over there, get any size account for 50% off. You can get the Rapid, you can get the Pro, you can get the Flex, you can get the Builder, whatever you want. 50% off. You can use the code twice to get 50% off. Otherwise, I believe it's 40% off, if I remember right. And Trade Day. And so Trade Day is the firm that you're seeing in the bottom of my piano right there. We got 2 Trade Day funded accounts, 50K accounts that we are inching up to take a payout on. Hopefully we'll get a payout early next week on those if we play our cards right. But you can use this prop firm matrix. We've got the links for each of them right down here below. So definitely check that out. Also on this link, you can check out our YouTube channel, which you guys are here right now, or join our Discord and hang out with us. Come talk, chat. We'll have some flash discounts on the Discord. I'll also be posting some bat signals and stuff like that as we go out through the day. So, whoa, we're over 300. Let's go. Let's go. That deserves a like. Come on, guys. Hit the like button. We are killing it. Let's do it. Right now, Y29976. Oh, that's a good question. Okay, so we have this we're trading a smooth trader indicator, and we've got this MOAS target that the indicator gave us, and that target is 983-ish right here. And so I put my take profit just right below it, just in case we don't get ticked. Like we missed this one down here about what was this, 8 ticks or something like that. We missed about 8 ticks or so. So I just want to make sure that if we jump up here and we're going for that target, that my take profit gets hit. That's why I set that there. All right, rate stayed the same as expected. NQ up slightly. Yeah, we're over 300. Let's go, Trader Steve. Good work. Albert Kent, what's the secret to keeping your funded account? That's a great question, buddy. The secret to keeping a funded account is managing risk. So with all my funded accounts, I treat them like my babies. I take care of them. I'm very strict with the trades I go into. I have to have double indicators tell me that we're going into a good trade. And we got a good one tonight. We're rocking, about to get over 400. So I take my time. I don't rush it. I'm not a Lamborghini trader. You're not going to see me flashy with a brand new car and stuff like that. That's not what I'm going for, man. I'm a family man. I'm doing this for my family. I'm trading to spend more time with my kid. I've got a 5-year-old here at home, and if I can turn this trading into a full-time job, that'd be really great. Allow us to travel more. We love to travel. We got a good bullish signal coming in now. Trader Steve giving us the bulls. There you go. We love to travel, so I'll be streaming this from all over the world. We're planning a trip to Costa Rica over the winter holiday, possibly. Wife and I are trying to plan that, so might do a little surfing, a little trading. We'll see. We've got a trip next year planned for Africa. I'm going to take our son on safari, and so that's how we like to spend our time. We like to travel around the world and see new places. But I use, so to tack on to that a little bit more, I use the power of compounding. Albert, so I have 21 accounts right now. Half of those are funded accounts. And I try to reach most of those are a mix between 25 and 50K accounts. I've got a couple 100K accounts. We're trading a next gen 150 funded account right now. Green diamond. I like it. Another bullish signal. Let's go. Where are the likes at, guys? Come on, look at this trade. What? And so I trade those, and my target on each account is like $200, $300 a day. I'm not going for the moon here, but you get $200 a day times 20 accounts, that's $4,000 a day, and that's just fine by me. You keep blowing fundeds. How much are you trading on? So I strictly trade M and Q. I do not trade NQ. NQ is the fastest way to blow an account, in my opinion. So I've got 5 MNQ on this 150K, and I just take my time. You got to take your time, inch it up. If you make $300 a day, great. You make $50 a day, great. Just stay with your edge, manage your risk. Know what we got another MOAS target coming in. Right now, did you guys see that up here? Up here to 876. 15-minute just turned bullish. Let's go. Yeah, we're just you got to spread it across, right? I mean, you know the big guys, what they're doing, they're taking just small trades over like thousands of different accounts, and that's how they're making their money. That's how banks make their money. Honestly, they take your money and they reinvest it in smaller increments, and just but they have billions of accounts, billions of dollars that they can just do this with, and they're just taking like a penny here, a penny there, and that's how they make their millions and billions. So that's what we're trying to do, just compounding. Small wins, they stack up over time. But you can really set yourself back if you're going swinging, 5 NQ, 10 NQ, trying to get one account up to thousands of dollars. It's gonna drive yourself crazy. Trust me, I tried it. I mean, I've done everything wrong. I've done everything wrong in trading. I have blown accounts. I have blown funded accounts, and that hurts a lot. But now that I found my edge with the Smooth Trader Concepts indicator and Rocket Scooter, and it's made this a lot less stressful. And I just hit the levels, look for the targets, take my time getting into trades. I trade mainly on the Asia session because there's less manipulation here. If I was a new trader and I was talking to myself, I'd say, stay away from New York. Don't trade on New York session. Just trade on the Asia session. Even if you're doing it from Globex open to like 9 o'clock, which is some of the best trading, you don't have to stay up that late. You don't have to stay up this late to hit the targets. There's some really good nights that we can make some really good money. And you'll see as this stream goes on, because we'll be making those trades. And we'll be here every Sunday through Thursday night. So please join us. We're up to 76 on the likes. We're getting there, 24 to go, and we will give away a 50K Legends account tonight on the stream. Let's go. Got a target just coming in, the MOS, the new MOS target. 876.50. 15-minute went bullish as well. See if we got a target over here. Not yet. But it is bullish. The green wave is getting bigger. One minute is trying. We're just going slow. We're going slow, but these are good indications that we are still grinding higher. At least up to HP. Baby, baby. Let's check in on ES while we're grinding higher here. ES still pushing up. Green wave getting bigger on ES. Got high now. 789. We've got a target on the ES 791 on both the 15-minute and the 1 minute. See if it's still there. It's still there. We are still not taking that. Sort of moving up and down there. Got another MOS forming on the 5 minute of the ES. Oh, looks like it hit it already. 789. Or is that after? Did it? Nope, that's after. We're still going back up. So wicked up. We got a target up here, 789 on the 5 minute of ES. Let's go. Pull us up, ES. Hey, Rubgi, 3295, first time here. Welcome. Welcome to the chat. We got 114 people in here, 79 likes, 21 more likes, and we're gonna do a giveaway. 50K Legends account. Let's go. We've got bullish targets. We're in the long. We've been in the long for 3 hours. There we go. $270, 3 hours. I like the trade. We're going. Hey, Rod Williams. I'm doing Rocket Scooter. I'm doing Rocket Scooter alongside Smooth Trader Concepts. I've got both indicators running on the dashboard right now. This is my edge. This is how I win in the market. And no, I am not doing the live stream session because I have a family and I need sleep. So I am not going to be streaming in the middle of the night. That does not sound like a fun idea for me. Maybe if I was in a different time zone, it would be good. But we're we're already later than I usually stream, but we got started off late tonight, so I wanted to hang out with you, see you guys, and see if we can get up to 100 likes, because I would love to give away this 50K Legends account to you guys tonight. Push the likes. We're 21 away. We got 121 now people in the chat. There's another like. Let's go. Mr. Pack4, thank you for subscribing. Please join the Discord as well. We are hanging out over there in the Discord. You'll be getting flash sales and discounts on any prop firms that we get. And you will also be able to tune into the Night Trader channel there. Well, I will be hitting out some bat signals for trades that I take in case you guys aren't on the stream and you're just roaming around and want to see the trade. We are 99.81 US dollar index is increasing, Trader Steve. Do you see this? I'm watching it, man. Swing green. I've been through like 3 water bottles tonight. My throat is getting scratchy talking to you guys all night long. And for those just joining us, I'm going to drop this link in the chat. This link that I'm just dropping right here gives you access to this channel right here, where you can get the Smooth Trader Indicator. We have monthly and lifetime. It is 20% off right now. Or you can just give it a test drive. Boom, boom. $7 for 7 days. Not too shabby. Good deal. Just to give it a test run. You can also see the prop firm matrix. Click here and you can see NQ dropping is real or just temporary. Hopefully. Use the code NIGHTTRADER with all the prop firms that we have: Trade Day, My Funded Futures, Next Gen, Aqua Futures, and Legends, and more to be added as we go. Hopefully get Take Profit Trader added. Love those guys. But My Funded Futures right now is 50% off with the code NIGHTTRADER, so jump on that. We've got 80% off at Legends, 60% off at Aqua Futures, and 50% off Trade Day right now. So Next Gen is having a few problems with their payment system right now, so you're not able to buy anything. Hopefully, let me check the Discord, see if they posted anything. I didn't see anything. Any announcements? Nope, no new updates from Next Gen on that. That's annoying. But they're still doing payouts, so if you can still get a payout because that is not through Stripe. As you know, if you didn't hear, Stripe is no longer supporting any prop firm, so that was their processing for taking payments for buying prop firms and stuff. So we're just waiting for them to get that done. And ooh, power short coming in. That's not good. That's not a good sign. Hey, top news, you know, we are bullish right now. The market is bullish. Trader Steve is calling the bulls to get us to push us back up. But we've been bullish ever since about 8 o'clock here, where we danced off of dynamic MHP. We just started pushing. We've been in this trade for over 3 hours now, waiting to hit some targets. We just got a new bullish signal up here to 877, hoping we can just push all the way through that. But we've got a high target from a MOAS way back here at 9 o'clock, all the way up here to 983. I've got my TP set at 976, which just might be an overnight trade, but we're going to have to see what it does when it dances up here with HP and the top of this bear span right here. This could be resistance to push us back down. We have this open fair value gap that it kind of danced with earlier tonight. Came, tried, just kept bouncing off, and then gave us a nice jump off that fair value gap and kept pushing. We got some bear signals on the ES as well. So on the 5-minute, we got a 789 target up here on ES, and the 15-minute and 1 minute have targets up here to 791. So slowly pushing up there. Green wave expanding nicely. Expanding nicely. Getting a little bit of a pullback right now, but I ain't scared. Up top of these, we got a MOAS target way up here at 983. Don't fade me, bro. I'm still right here. Eyes on the lane, hands on the wheel. They counting me out. I kept my ground, no loud talk now. I move around. All right, we're good now. Got 123 people on the show. Got 85 likes. Get us up to 100, and we have a 50K Legends account and my snazzy new giveaway tool that I developed this weekend that I've been eager to use with you guys. So I think we're going to get there. Just a few more clicks of the like button, and we will kick off the giveaway. Trader Steve says, I think they will take out all the tops and then take us down to 29,818. Then later, as we approach London pre-market, they'll pump in Q. So far, 835 holding firm. Yeah. Our MOAS low, the stop loss on this target that just popped up is 815. Gary K, thank you for subscribing to our channel. I'm glad you're here. Be sure to jump over in the Discord and say hi. I am Right Night Trader. You can find me over there. Oh, you mean they'll take out all the stops? Okay, that makes sense. This is one of my newest songs I created this weekend. Got a little Red Hot Chili Pepper inspired. Getting a little slap in the bass. Thanks, dude. Yeah, I wrote that one this weekend. I was inspired by last Wednesday's action. We were in a long and everybody was like, "You're gonna get stopped out. You're gonna get stopped out." Or was it a short? I can't remember. One of the two. It was the 6.5 hour trade they were in. And they were like, "Close the trade. You're gonna get stopped out." I was like, and then everybody was fading me, and next morning we woke up to a nice $1,100 surprise. Not surprise, we hit our target. It wasn't a surprise at all. So I wrote that song. Getting a stronger pullback, Trader Steve. Not liking this. Come on. Heck yeah, check out Suno. It's awesome, dude. I upgraded to the studio version. You can really change the songs a lot better than the pro version. I started with the pro version, and it just wouldn't give me the tools that I'm used to using. So for the studio, you can really mess with the sound, do extensions, stuff like that. It's really good. $92 likes. We are 8 away from our giveaway. Let's go. Ethan Hughes, welcome to the stream. Yep, we are long. We've got a long target of 983. Not sure we're going to get there tonight. We've got hedge pressure and interverse band, a little resistance right there, but see what we got. Let it ride. Three more likes on all my accounts. Almost there. We're getting there. This long is taking forever. We are now in this long for 3.5 hours, everyone. We are dedicated. We're in. There's no turning back now. Hit that like button. If you like the music, if you like the indicator, or if you just like pushing like buttons. We got a 50K Legends account we are going to give away on the stream live tonight. And hopefully get a little profit eked out. Been here for 2 hours. So you've seen the whole trade. Did we get it? Seeing 95 on my side. Let me refresh. $97. 3 to go. We're gonna get there. Ken GG Real says, which contract can you use on Tradivate for gold right now? I'm not sure. I don't trade gold. My wife loves gold, and that's about as close as I get to it. Thank you for subscribing, Avenger Chiku and J Min. Thank you for joining the stream. Be sure to jump in the Discord. Come say hi. You'll find me there. I'm Ride Night Trader. Yes, boring price action, but that's the Asian market. It goes a little slower. It's a lot slower. We've been in this trade for now 3.5 hours. Smart trading really helped my new strategy. Awesome, Albert King. I like that, man. That's what we're here for, man. I'm here to help. I'm here to learn. I'm sure you guys got some great tips that I could take home and add to my strategy. But my edge in the market is the Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator, along with some Rocket Scooter indicators. And right now we are in a long with the MOAS target up here of 983. This is not my song. And we're holding it long. We got a MOAS target right here of 876 that popped up while we were on our trade. take a look over at ES. ES is kind of sloping down a little bit here. Got some bear pressure, just a little bit. ES has a target of 791 across all time frames right now, I believe. 789 on the 5 minute. Just getting a little pullback right now. Nothing violent, nothing too bad. And we're at 100. Let's go. Let's go. Who wants a giveaway? Who wants a 50K Legends account? Anybody out there want a 50K Legends account? Boston wants one. I see hands up. All right, let's get this set up. Make sure, so give me a little break, you guys. So I built this giveaway controller to work with chat. Built this myself. I'm a coder, and I wasn't going to pay somebody else's tool. So you can hopefully see on my screen right now the giveaway coming up. Little app we got going here. So we're gonna put in a code word that you guys will type into the chat. Ethan Blue is second eval today. Oh no, I know that feeling. Dylan Hoggins for NQ. This is by far the most profitable time of day. It is. So because this is. We're still in the second week of the Night Trader night market stream. We started last Sunday, and it's been going great. You guys have been showing up. We're at 102 likes now. Let's go. 120 in the room, and this is our first giveaway. And so we are going to use the chat keyword for the first giveaway. Is that done? I'm not going to put it in yet because I need to start the thing. Otherwise, it's not going to capture when you guys, because I know you guys are going to be typing away. Typing. Save settings. All right. Code word. First night. Type it in. Let's see if we get some entries rolling through here. See if my app actually works. And go. Yep, entries are coming in. I see them. This is working. Woo! Oh, don't you love it when you build something and it just works? That's just awesome. It's pretty cool. I've watched other streams too, and none of the other streams show you how many entries there are. So I put a little, show you guys how many you guys are clicking in. You only need to type it one time, but if you type it multiple times, that's fine. My app will just put you in there one time.
put it in your hands. I learn the boss, I trust my plans. If the room gets loud, I stay calm. Steel in the chest, gold in the
All right, we'll let this. We got 122 in the chat. We're up to about 28 entries. So let's go. Let it go for another 30 seconds or so. All right, everybody in that wants to be in? Man, we're at 100. We're killing the likes, man. I appreciate you guys. This is the second week of streaming, and we're looking to be profitable on all days. We got the smooth trader concepts indicator running right here. We've got some targets up at 878 and 983. Probably gonna let this ride unless we get some bearish pressure all night long. All right, we are going to close the entries. We've got 29 entries. Entries are closed. Take the code word off. And we are going to draw the winner. We got 29. All right, and the winner is Sports QZ7ZJ. Congratulations. This is a 50K Legends Apprentice account that you have won tonight. So you got a minute, Sports, if you're still in the chat. Tell us you're here and tell us your favorite flavor of ice cream. We are the late nights when you get dessert, so do a little bot check. Sports, are you there? Come on, NQ. Rocky Road is the best. All right. Thank you, Sports. I appreciate you very much. If you will jump into the Discord and message me, I will get you the code for your 50K Apprentice account. I'm Rye, Night Trader in Discord. And you can see right below you is the stream elements. Gives the link to the Discord. This will not be the only giveaway on the Night Trader channel. We've got lots of prop firm accounts to give away, so please come back, join us. And you see, we're growing, so I mean, your chances are good. Your chances tonight were 1 in 29. Pretty good chances to get a prop firm account, 1 out of 30. Not too shabby. And as we grow, we'll be doing more giveaways, more fun will be had. We got a trap short. That's a bullish signal. More pressure up. Let's go. Check Discord. sports, be sure to reach out to me on Discord. You have to join our Discord to win, because that's where we can connect and give you the giveaway code. So if you guys aren't subscribed and joined to our Discord, please do so now. That's the only way that you can get up. And I didn't even notice we had another MOAS. I'm sorry. Where is my MOAS signal? I got too many tabs open. I can't find my controller. The name of the song, this is one of my songs. It's called "Hit the Stop Loss." Is the name of this song. I will be posting the Suno playlist link in Discord this week. So subscribe, jump over there. You're gonna see the Night Trader channel, and you can stream it from over there. I'll give access to my Suno playlists.
Small cutting out can save my life. When the screen gets loud, I get quiet slow. One hard rule, then I let it go. Hit the stop loss, hit the stop loss. Cut and move on, cut and move on. Hit the stop loss, hit the stop loss.
I'm glad you're enjoying the music. I worked hard to build it all, and wrote the lyrics, most of the lyrics. I had a little help with AI on some of them, but oh no, it's not sung by me. I've got some songs that as we get in the stream, I'll share some of my personal music with you guys. Hey Rod, my TP is right up here at 976. We've got a MOAS target of 983, so it's just right below that. And it's just grinding higher. It's just grinding higher. Yeah, it'd be nice to hit it. We'll see. Hopefully wake up to a nice surprise. Depends on what London wants to do. But I mean, if we've got this bear pressure, we've got another MOAS target here at 877 that we're going to hit. And I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. It's slow. You know, the night market is really slow, and that's okay. We had a 6.5 hour trade last week, and that worked out really nicely. So hopefully this one will too. Sports, I am not seeing you over in the Discord yet. Did you join the Discord yet? I want to get you connected and get you that account before we close out for the night. All right, wrong trade, Jim. Yep, get some rest, buddy. I'm about to get some rest too. If we can get sports to jump in, connect on that one to get into this account. Joined under your Discord account, Buffalo. Okay, let me see if I can find you. Is it Buffalo with 3 F's? Sports? Sports, it's the Buffalo with 3 F's, right? Just making sure before I get you connected there. All right. Luis Miguel, greetings. Welcome to the channel. Subscribe, join us, join the Discord. All right, so we did our first giveaway. Ouch. I wasn't even paying attention, and we're going back to our entry here. That's not looking too shabby. Yeah, Albert, yeah, this is my music. Yep. Oh, now we're negative. This is not good. Not looking good. Bears coming in. Where are the bears coming from? It's after midnight. At least where I'm at. This is not cool. Alright. Well, we are winding down on the night. I've got a day job I've got to get into. I will be sticking in this trade. They might be coming down for this fair value gap. We got VWAP right here, hoping to bounce off and just keep going. 1 minute got a little bearish. Let's see what we got in 1 minute show. We got 3 bearish diamonds. Invalidated the 1 minute fair value gap or MOAS signal over here. Double check. Do I want to stay in this trade or close it out for the night? We don't want to go too negative. This is a funded account. Oil is starting to fly. What am I missing? Five minute, 15 minute, we're still bullish on those. Just getting a little pullback. NQ never goes in a straight line. We all know that. See if we invalidate this MOAS target here. We're close. About a tick away right there. See if we can stay above. Still grind higher. Looks like they want to do a deep pullback though. ES is pulling back as well. We will see. Trader Steve says they are taking the 818 liquidity. Don't worry, they will reverse for London. Buy the dip. And Trader Steve just created a new song called Buy the Dip. All right, buddy. Well, join the Discord, share the clip, and maybe we'll play it tomorrow night on our stream. We'll get a little inspiration from Trader Steve on buying the dip. But I'm going to kick off my outro music, guys, because I'm tired. And I have meetings early in the morning. But we will be back tomorrow at Globex Open, streaming all night long. We got another giveaway tomorrow, and I would love to see you guys there. You guys killed it tonight with the likes, 111 likes. This is the biggest night so far. This has been great. I appreciate you guys so much for coming and joining us tonight. I'm glad you enjoyed the music, and so enjoy the outro, and we'll keep the trade up as long as the song goes on. But I'm checking out, and you guys have a fantastic night. Thank you for joining the night market. Hit subscribe, join the Discord. We'll be here all week. All right. Thanks a lot, guys.